So it's time to relic the guitar. I'm going to crack the nitro with some compressed air and a hairdryer. So this is the compressed air, this is the hairdryer. Let's go. So the idea is to hold the can upside down like this. The liquid will come out and it's super cold. And then if I'm warming it with the hairdryer, immediately after, it should crack the nitro. Let's try it. All right, nothing is cracking. Let's try again. Okay, it's not cracking. Okay. What? It's not cracking. What's going on? Really? Oh, I don't understand right now what's going on. Maybe it's not hot enough. It's a very small hairdryer. That's all I have right here. Not even a little crack. That's disappointing. Really disappointing. Some very minor cracking is going on actually. Maybe I need a stronger hairdryer, so I want to get that. In the meantime, let's go out, enjoy the sun, and work on the relicing. So now I borrowed my daughter's hairdryer. My wife won't let me use hers. So I'm very excited to see if this makes a difference. Let's see if I can crack the nitro with this one. That's what we want right there. Nice cracking right there. Super nice. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, that's annoying. What's that? What's that? Wasn't there before. What is going on? Oh man, what's that? That's a fail? What? It's too hot? Too cold? What's going on? What did I do? Oh man. Okay, I need to fix that. Very good right there. Also over here. So the cracking is pretty subtle. But I think if I go close, you can see it right there. So to make it stand out a little more, I've made a mixture right here of old coffee and coffee stuff like this. So let's see if it works. I just put it in right here to get it into the cracks. Let's see, does it make a difference? Let me see. What do you think? Maybe it's standing out a little more, the cracking. I think it stands out a little more, doesn't it? Super great. It's subtle. I think the illusion works. So relicing a guitar like this is about creating an illusion. It's kind of like a magician making a magic trick, but when you know how the magic trick works, you're not as amazed about it. I'm really, really happy with this guitar right now, and I think the illusion is kind of beginning to work for me right now. But it's really a personal thing if you like this or not. But I have to say I do. This is about inspiration. If you look at an instrument, you want to play it, you get inspired by it, that's it. So this is what I was going for, but I wanted a little less relic than this one. And this is what I ended up with. I'm very happy with the end result of this finish.